Alright guys, right, you got Squibby here, back on his push bike again along the seafront, and oh god, it's such a wicked day. It's going to be really hot today, so I'm out a bit early for all the mass crowds and everything. But look at that out there, look. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, enjoy what I'm seeing at the minute, and the noise, the waves and that. But yeah, it is heating up. God knows what the temperature is now, but you know, I've got a sweat on. But then I have just got off my bike. I'm gonna have a drink in a minute. Yeah, it's just juice, honest. That's the one good thing about living at the coast. We've got this. You know what I mean? It's free. Just get on your bike or go for a walk the dog. Bliss, absolute bliss. There's a couple of sailboats out there right over in the distance. I don't know if you can see them. I'm filming this on my phone, so it's not the best. And then right over in the distance over there, there's jet skis bombing about. There's a launch up there with the jet skis and little canoes and whatever. I'm actually sitting on the beach. I might even get me feet out and get in the water. Go and swim with the turds, as it was. I don't know if you can see right up in the distance how it curves around, and but anyway, right, Squibby, gonna chill for a little while, have a drink, get back on my bike and see where I end up. Alright guys, catch you later. Right.